Welcome again to Culture Country Lifestyle. We're gonna clean up the bees for April now, because it's in a bad condition. So me along with my brethren, them meat marks, Mark there.
Yeah man, Kojak viewers. This is Kojak Veil. Kojak one put on his veil now to enter the bee colony. You can't go into the Bee Hive without him veil.
Alright.
Yeah,
Make up smoke. All those people who are bees expert in America, Australia, all over the world, Africa. This is how we do it. Culture Country Lifestyle.
What?
This is me. Look at me.
No, man, you're good man.
Look at me, culture. Look at me with my veil on. Look, my viewers. That's me.
Yeah, it's over there.
Going closer and closer to the bees. So now I have to watch my step. Getting closer and closer, my viewers. See my smoke there. Just one box with the bee.
Come on, man. Come on, come on, back. Come on, man, come on. All right, it's fantastic.
See the bees. Lot of bees in the box. See only there, the comb.
The colony coming about 2 years now.
About 2 years, color did that.
Yeah, we clean up this.
Need to clean up.
The bees, they make a whole heap of comb in there because they never have the frame.
Right.
Yeah, we clean it from cut out on it. You can see the onion right on the cover that the bees make.
Right, sit there. Only my viewers, natural organic. That is the organic honey.
Yeah, man, so we're going to recondition the paper. That's why we're cleaning it up today. So, within another 3 weeks, when you see this paper, you won't believe it's the same paper that you saw today.
Right.
Yeah, cut.
Making clearance so you can approach the bees more properly. To cure these bees because they are very good to produce honey, which is so good. Lots of health benefits. Bees getting closer, like we want to attack me.